Your gut controls far more than digestion. It affects your immune system, brain, hormones, and energy levels. If you feel bloated, tired, anxious, or inflamed, your gut may be the root cause. In this video, you'll learn how to fix gut health naturally, step by step. Remove gut-damaging foods. Healing the gut always starts with removal. Certain foods damage the gut lining and feed harmful bacteria. Gluten and dairy are common triggers for inflammation and leaky gut. Sugar and refined carbs fuel bad bacteria and yeast overgrowth. Industrial seed oils promote chronic gut inflammation. Try an elimination diet for 4 to 6 weeks to identify sensitivities. Next, you rebuild the gut microbiome. Healthy bacteria protect your gut and reduce inflammation. Fermented foods introduce live beneficial strains. Prebiotic fiber feeds those beneficial microbes. Resistant starch helps produce butyrate, a key gut fuel. Probiotic supplements can accelerate recovery when dysbiosis is severe. Heal the gut lining. Leaky gut. A damaged gut lining leads to leaky gut. This allows toxins to enter the bloodstream and trigger inflammation. Glutamine is the primary fuel for gut cells. Bone broth provides collagen and amino acids for repair. Zinc carnosine strengthens the gut barrier. Herbs like slippery elm and aloe calm inflammation. Support digestion. Poor digestion worsens gut damage. Low stomach acid is more common than you think. Betaine HCl helps break down protein properly. Digestive enzymes reduce bloating and fermentation. Bile support improves fat digestion and gut balance. Reduce inflammation. Chronic inflammation blocks gut healing. Omega-3s calm gut inflammation and immune reactions. Curcumin supports gut healing and microbial balance. Polyphenols feed beneficial bacteria. Intermittent fasting helps reset the gut and microbiome. Hidden infections and SIBO. Some gut issues are driven by hidden infections. H. pylori, parasites, and SIBO are common. Herbal antimicrobials help rebalance the gut. Saccharomyces boulardii protects the gut during treatment. Gut-brain connection stress directly damages the gut lining. High cortisol increases intestinal permeability. Meditation and breathwork activate healing pathways. Sleep regulates gut motility and immune balance. Exercise increases microbial diversity. Final takeaways. Gut healing requires a full-body approach. Remove triggers, rebuild bacteria, repair the lining. When your gut heals, everything improves. Subscribe for more evidence-based functional health videos.